Let's now take you to Rajasthan and Gujarat, two states that have seen unprecedented rain this year. Villages have been completely cut off, some even submerged in water. Villagers are complaining that the response of the administration has been rather poor. The administration, on the other hand, admits it's been overwhelmed by the amount of the rainfall. In Gujarat, a part of the road caved in, taking down 3 vehicles, a bus and 2 SUVs. A look at the dramatic rescue operations.
"35 kilometers from Jaipur, Rainy village has never seen so much water. This time, due to excessive rain, the entire village has been completely submerged.
अरे कभी देखे कौन जिंदगी में इतना पानी तो
हमारी जिंदगी में तो पहली बार यहाँ पे इतनी बारिश और इतना पानी आया.
Flooding has caused extensive damage. Houses have been destroyed and villagers are trying to salvage whatever little is left of their belongings. Some villagers have been living in a tent just outside the village. It doesn't provide much protection, but they don't have any other option.
बहुत परेशानी में रह रहे हैं. यहाँ पे टेम्परेरी तंबू लगा रखे हैं. हिंगोनिया में स्कूल में जगह दी गई है. सामान तो ज्यादातर खराब ही हो गया. चांस नहीं मिला कि सामान बाहर निकले.
Villagers have been wading through waist-deep water for the past 8 days, but the administration has only woken up now. Pumps have been set up in the village that are drawing out water steadily but very slowly.
और ये खेतों का पानी है बह का. ये पिछले 50 वर्ष यहाँ कभी पानी नहीं आया.
In Gujarat's Patan district too, nature has unleashed its fury. 3 vehicles fell into the Ruban river after a road caved in. 2 passengers were stuck in the flooded river, but the National Disaster Response Team failed to rescue them.
और 3 गाड़ियां पानी में फंस गई है. एक आइसर गाड़ी पे 2 आदमी बैठे हैं और उनको बचाने की कोशिश की है.
It was the locals who braved the swirling flood and mounted a rescue operation. They waded through water to throw a lifeline to them. Almost 8 hours later, the passengers were finally rescued.